Are you tired of being stuck with outdated app development tools? Want to tap into the power of AI to simplify the process? Google has heard your pleas and launched the IDX to revolutionize the app development landscape. Imagine having the power of Google's machine learning technology at your fingertips, creating powerful, dynamic web apps with unparalleled ease and efficiency. So are you ready to delve into the world of IDX? Buckle up and get ready to witness a game-changing innovation that will take the tech world by storm. But before that, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Gone are the days of traditional software development, where everything was tied down to a single system or device. With the rise of web and multi-platform app development, you can reach users across various platforms and devices. And you know what that means? More reach, more downloads, more engagement. In short, more awesome. But let's not get ahead of ourselves here. With greater versatility comes greater complexity, and that's where things start to get tricky. All those different platforms and devices each bring unique challenges and requirements. You've got to deal with different screen sizes and resolutions, different hardware capabilities, and many other factors. That's why we need innovative tools like IDX to help streamline the development process. With IDX, you have an AI-enabled browser-based development environment that makes building full-stack web and multi-platform apps easier than ever. It brings together a wealth of resources and tools that allow you to quickly develop and deploy apps across multiple platforms. Google just dropped a bomb with their latest tech masterpiece, Project IDX. This revolutionary product is the latest browser-based development experience that's totally lit up with the power of Google Cloud infrastructure in its own Cody AI model. And guess what? It's been trained on code. Can you believe it? The purpose of Project IDX is to make the whole process of developing and deploying full-stack web and multi-platform apps a hell of a lot more manageable. Google claimed in their recent blog post that Project IDX offers a simplified development environment that supports a bunch of popular programming languages and frameworks. Plus, it's based on Code OSS, so no matter what sort of projects you're working on, there's always a familiarity and comfort for you. So why the big unveil? Well, Google's always been a great listener, and time again, they've given developers a platform to voice their feedback and suggestions, and this time, it's no different. The IDX team is a sharp ear to the ground and is always gathering inputs from the brightest minds. They're eager to identify ways to tweak IDX and make it even more impressive than it already is. And not just any old apps, IDX uses top-notch frameworks and languages to ensure your creations are top of the line. Behind the genius innovation are Bri Arda, Kiruba Chinnathambi, Ashwin Raghav, Mohan Ganesh, Erin Kidwell, and Roman Nurik. They're all singing IDX's praises, and for good reason. This thing is the future of app development. Now, don't get too hyped just yet. IDX is still in the works and not yet available to the public. But Google is taking names and building a waitlist for all you fired up developers. They know you're chomping to get your hands on this game-changing tech. Oh, and did I mention Google's also making waves regarding security with their Messages app? You heard it here. They just started using end-to-end encryption for all RCS conversations, even group chats. RCS is a big deal. It's way safer than your run-off-the-mill SMS or MMS. So, what's the primary goal of IDX, you ask? It's to change the game of web development as we know it. As Google said, IDX is designed to reduce complexity and increase productivity for developers. IDX will empower devs to get cranking on their projects much quicker with a more intuitive and user-friendly interface that harnesses the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence. But let's be real, can we even be surprised that Google has managed to deliver such an incredible solution? As one of the biggest players in the tech industry, Google has a proven track record of developing some of the most cutting-edge solutions we've seen in the digital realm. From the Google search algorithm to Google Maps and Google Assistant, they're a force to be reckoned with. We can be sure that the same expertise and influence they've brought to their other products will be utilized to create an unparalleled experience for developers worldwide. Let's dig deeper and explore the key features of IDX that make it a game changer for developers. Raring to jump into this app building game? IDX has your back. With its robust tools and powerful UI, you can start your app development project virtually anywhere. IDX is available everywhere, so whether you're working from the comforts of your home or exploring new horizons in a co-working space, you can get down to business anytime, anywhere. Cool, right? Import your existing app or start something new. IDX supports almost all existing app building frameworks, so you can just jump right in with whatever tool is convenient. If you ever feel like starting something new, IDX provides an excellent platform for that too. You can create fresh and innovative ideas and bring them to life with IDX's powerful elements. Preview your app across platforms. With IDX, you can see your app's looks and feels across multiple devices and platforms. From desktops to smartphones, this feature allows you to easily build and test apps, ensuring that everything in your project is running seamlessly and without a hitch. Help from AI. If you ever feel baffled by the app building process, don't fret because IDX has your back. With this powerful AI, you can get suggestions in all aspects of developing and modifying your app. This feature will help you create the best project, from design choices to coding. Publish to the web with Firebase hosting. Need to launch your app for the world to see? No problem, IDX has got you covered. With Firebase hosting, you can deploy your finished app with just a few clicks. And the rest is easy peasy. You can focus on your craft while IDX caters to development's deployment and hosting aspects. Now let's talk about templates. Who doesn't love a good template, right? Well, Project IDX has got you covered. They've got a plethora of ready-made templates tailor-made for well-known frameworks like Angular, Flutter, Next.js, React, Svelte, and Vue. These templates come in a wide range of programming languages like JavaScript and Dart, with plans to include upcoming support for other languages like Python and Go. Talk about versatility. But wait, there's more. The Project IDX team is not just sitting pretty, they're actively expanding their support to include more project types and frameworks. They're eager to receive user feedback and suggestions, identifying which technology stacks should be had. The impact of IDX on the app development landscape could be profound. With the ability to build full-stack web and multi-platform apps in a single environment, IDX promises to streamline development processes like never before. This could lead to faster turnaround times, lower development costs, and a more agile, responsive approach that will benefit developers and end users. IDX is especially exciting because it is AI-enabled, meaning it can learn and adapt as it's being used. This means it will be capable of identifying common patterns and behaviors, making suggestions to developers, and even automating certain tasks. This level of automation and intelligence has the potential to dramatically increase productivity, reduce errors, and provide a more intuitive user experience. Of course, creating a tool like IDX is only the first step. Google recognizes that to create a precious tool, developers and users need to be open to feedback. To that end, Google has committed to evolving and refining IDX based on user feedback. This means that as users begin to work with IDX, they can share their thoughts, ideas, and criticisms with Google. This will help Google identify areas where they can improve the tool and make sure that it stays relevant to the needs of developers and users. If you're interested in exploring IDX, there are a few ways to get started. First, Google encourages developers and users to participate in the IDX community. This community will be a place for knowledge sharing, discussion, and feedback, and will be an essential part of the evolution of the tool. By participating in the community, you'll have the opportunity to connect with other users, learn from their experiences, and share your own thoughts and ideas. Google offers several IDX developer resources to speed up the learning curve. These resources include tutorials, sample projects, and documentation, all designed to make it as easy as possible to start working with IDX. So, what are you waiting for? Hop on board and let's take Project IDX for a spin. If you loved the video, give us a thumbs up and let those fingers do some comment magic. Your likes and comments fuel our video, so spread the good vibes and join the conversation.